everyone, this is Andreas, your aquaponic and hydroponic coordinator at the Maryland Magrum Center Wellness Garden. Today, I will be showing you how to start seeds for your aquaponic or hydroponic system. For this video, we will be working with blue lake pole beans and dwarf blue curled kale. Otherwise, you will need a seed starting medium, seed labels, some water from your aquaponic system, liquid seaweed extract, measuring spoons, a bucket, some planting trays, and a mister or sprayer. If you are starting seeds for a hydroponic system, municipal tap water instead of aquaponic water will work just fine, provided you are able to adjust it to a pH of 5.7 after adding your seaweed extract. When it comes to selecting a seed starting medium, you have two main options: loose media or bonded media. A loose medium has a granular texture like soil, whereas bonded plugs are made of a solid but porous material that will retain its shape while allowing air, water, and nutrients to pass through. It's really important that whatever media you use is inert, clean, and free of any chemical or biological contaminants that can harm your plants or your system.
For our loose media, we will be using a mixture of 1 part peat moss to 1 part perlite. You can also substitute the peat moss for coconut coir and the perlite for vermiculite, but you may have to adjust the ratio of your mixture. For our bonded media, we will be using rock wool, which is a soft filamentous material that retains its shape when saturated with water. There are other options available, including organic starter plugs held together by a plastic bonding agent.
The first thing that we're going to want to do is mix our seaweed extract with our aquaponic water in the bucket. Follow the instructions on the bottle for proper application rates for use in seed treatment. The seaweed extract will stimulate root development and provide a mild dose of nutrients to the seedlings to help them get a great start in life. Next, we're going to soak our media in the solution we have prepared. Soak your bonded media for about 30 seconds and mix in the loose media until it is saturated. After we're done, we're going to transfer the media to our planting trays. Now, we're going to plant our seeds. Standard seed planting procedures for soil apply for the loose media. For the bonded media, you'll just need to deposit the seeds in the hole located in the center of the plug. I like to plant 2 or 3 seeds per cell to ensure that we get even germination in all of the cells. That way, none of the media goes to waste. All that's left to do is take your sprayer and moisten the top with aquaponic water. Now your seeds are ready to go. The leftover solution makes a good organic fertilizer for your garden. As far as caring for them until they are ready to transplant, you have 2 options. You can either keep them moist manually with your sprayer, or place them in a hydroponic or aquaponic ebb and flow table if you have one. If you're doing hydroponics, I would recommend moistening with tap water until the seeds germinate, and then moisten with a mixture of 50% nutrient solution and 50% tap water. If you're doing aquaponics, water from your aquaponic system will be fine at all stages of germination and early vegetative growth. Your seeds will be ready for transplanting after their first 2 or 3 true leaves have fully formed. Happy growing, everyone!